be it sales or marketing or whatever it is, and a huge component of our bonus is based on how our customers are promoting us. I think that needs to be changed internally, where every part of the business therefore needs to know that they are contributing to the customer set. And it needs a top-down approach to push it down to a level where everybody gets measured on it and gets the bonus based on it. Okay?
Just to add to that, another paradigm shift which may be required from the telco perspective is when you see the service that is delivered, whether it's a bandwidth or the voice minutes, it is all their own service. But when it comes to cloud, it is a conglomeration of various services setting up as a platform. So the telcos have to be open to deliver it with quality, at the same time share the revenue across the value chain. Where currently telcos' point of view is mainly the interconnect is the only area where they share the revenue. But in this kind of a situation where every piece of service that is being delivered, there is a revenue sharing, and so many players will get into that value chain, and telcos have to be open towards delivering a service and then share the revenue across the value chain. I think that's another area where I could see telcos will take a little more time to digest and then make it more effective. As Mayank mentioned, in India, Bharti Airtel made it really effective. And at the same time, slowly, because they have a strong financial arm, they started acquiring these content guys and then making it more effective.
Just to add my perspective there, yes, it's true that it's the legacy systems or the legacy policies, procedures coming in. And again, something that has been discussed on a couple of times that I've seen it discussed, is that the organizations are a little slow to change, and the whole mindset of trying to lock in a service provider, I mentioned in the presentation earlier, that is the mindset currently. So some telcos have been out there, have gone out and made the transition. They've seen the transition from a pure telco to a managed service provider, and from a managed service provider to a true cloud offering. It's more a learning phase, and I believe the cloud computing industry at this point of time in Asia Pacific is in a complete state of flux right now. Nothing is certain that this will be in this particular manner tomorrow. Then our business model is already in place, but how they change, how they shift, we are all learning. As an analyst, I'm learning every day new things. The end users are learning new things. The service providers are learning new ways of engaging their customers. There are initiatives in place to help their sales staff go ahead and understand first what is cloud, how they can sell it, and what resonates with the customer. There are definitely a lot of initiatives in place, but I think let's give them a couple of years to be on par with the other side.
Okay. And it'll be interesting to see, I think, how CRM system, meaning a comprehensive CRM system across the business, from the sales side all the way up to support, customer service, integrating all of those